Pirate Nation, I'm Philip Rogers, and I'm honored to be the next Chancellor of East Carolina University. There are many people to thank in a moment like this one. I'm grateful to President Hans, to Chairman Ramsey, and the UNC Board of Governors for this wonderful opportunity, as well as Chairman Davenport, the ECU Board of Trustees, and the Search Committee. But most importantly, I want to thank the entire university community for supporting me as we build upon the strong foundation that previous leaders have set for ECU, including my dear friend, Interim Chancellor Ron Mitchelson. As someone who grew up in Greenville, graduated from Rose High School, worked at ECU, and is married to a two-time ECU alumna, I'm excited and humbled by the opportunity before me. I understand the importance of this university to the state and to the region, and that's because Eastern North Carolina is my home. Greenville is my home, and I'm proud to call East Carolina University my home. At the heart of what we do is our mission, and that mission reflects my own values as a person and is deeply embedded in my DNA as a leader. The job before us is to double down on our commitments to student success, to public service, and regional transformation. And when we keep that mission central to who we are as a university, then our recognition as a national research and service institution will only expand in the years to come. As we move forward together, I'm eager to embrace and champion ECU's many valued assets, such as our passionate athletics tradition, our robust commitment to advancing rural health care, and our role as a driver of regional economic development, all of which will sustain and grow the university's profile and impact. And of course, leadership is a team sport, and I'm ready to lean into an authentic partnership with our talented faculty, dedicated staff, energetic students, and all of Pirate Nation to keep this institution unified and mission-focused in the days ahead. Now, I'm not so naive to think there will not be challenges. This past year has been a great example, and for my seat at the American Council on Education, it's clear our entire field is experiencing one of the most difficult times for higher education in recent memory. The global pandemic has pushed us to be agile and adaptive in ways we could have never foreseen. ECU faces financial challenges because of the pandemic, and these challenges are significant, but they're not insurmountable. The Great Recession tested us in this area a decade ago during my first stop at ECU. We emerged from that crisis well positioned for the future, and we'll do it again with this one. If nothing else, 2020 and its historic events, including COVID and the movement for racial justice, has illustrated that unity, understanding, and collaboration must work in tandem. It's the way forward for our society, and it's the way forward for East Carolina University. ECU has always been about coming together with our motto of service binding us. East Carolina has been focused on providing a quality, affordable education. ECU will continue to be recognized nationally for its quality programs, diverse student population, and our innovative spirit, and there will be no limits for our great university. For the past 7 years, I've worked at the American Council on Education, which focuses on how the higher education community can best serve its students, its institutions, and the wider public good. One of the great joys of my work is visiting university campuses all across the country, and I can say genuinely that I've yet to find another university that does more for its region than ECU. No one does it better than the Pirates, and that is at the heart of what's led me home. My deep commitment to ECU and the region, combined with a national perspective, will be central to addressing the challenges that today's students and campuses are facing. We will navigate the fiscal challenges while also addressing the issues of access, equity, and inclusion using the most effective and innovative practices in the field. I want to be clear about one thing. ECU is not just a listing on my resume as a place I worked for 6 years. It's where my wife earned 2 degrees. It's a central part of our lives, and Rebecca and I would not be here today without this institution. We thank you for this opportunity to return home. We're at a critical milestone in the university's history, but I'm ready for the challenge, working beside all of Pirate Nation. I'll be a people-first chancellor for everyone, not just those who look like me. This is a day to celebrate, and I look forward to the future. In the coming months, I'll work with Interim Chancellor Ron Mitchelson to prepare for March 15th, when I begin as ECU's 12th Chancellor. I want to extend my gratitude to Ron for his years of services at ECU, and especially for the last year as Interim Chancellor. I look forward to being back in Greenville soon. Please stay safe, please stay healthy, and go Pirates!